राज्यांत कोळसो हाताळणीचेर बंदी घालात म्हणजे बोवाळ चालू आसा थंय पयलीं लोकांनी समजून घेवपाची गरज आसा। कोळशाच्या प्रदूषणा आड आपूण आसा पूण कोळशाच्या ना, कारण थर्मल उर्जा वीज तशेंच चडशी हायटेक यंत्रणा हाचेर आदारीत आसा। जे कोण कोळशाचेर बंदी घालात म्हण सांगता तांणी पयलीं ह्या गजाली वापरपाच्यो बंद करून दाखोवच्यो म्हण मुखेलमंत्री पर्रीकर उलयला। आरडेक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
So we brought down the pollution in last 3 months by curtailing the handling capacity, and I have told them that they have to modernize it in such a way that there is no pollution. There is no reason why pollution should be there. But at the same time, you can't be against coal and consume power also. It's logical because the power we are using today in Goa is entirely 95% coal based, thermal based. So माझे म्हणणे इतले जा की आम्ही कितें सेव करता, what are we contributing to the environment? We should reduce the use of power, we should stop ACs, we should use cycles, we should stop cars, posh car तर बंदच करूंक जाय. So all these aspects of environment protection has to be done by the people who talk about pollution. First, करून दाखय मरे, हांव करता. I don't use plastic. I am ready to go by motorcycle. I use minimum. हे आता जायला पाहिजे, हांव ताका बरोबर घेवन आयला सगळ्या एकाच गाडयेन आयला, 2 गाडयो घेवन येवन ना. वी आर ट्रायंग टू रिड्यूस एंड आय बिलीव दॅट एवरीवन शूड डू. सो दोज हू आर ओपोजिंग coal pollution, yes, I agree, but opposing coal is a very strange same thing like that school. The school actual the issue is infrastructure. So if they had come to me saying that infrastructure ची व्यवस्था केल्याशिवाय थंय करू नका, जाल्यार I would have agreed with them.